Yes friends, we are on exercise 8.1 and we have done 7 sums up to now. Again, reminding you, Galaxy Tutorials, and I'm Professor Kumar, and you are learning the chapter 8 chapter Trigonometry, Maths, CBSE. Okay, so let's go forward. Please practice the sums. Kindly come and register and collect your assignment book, because as you will see, we have 11 sums in the first exercise. 11 sum, unfortunately, has to be done after I do theory of 8.2 with you. Why did they bring it in front? I do not know. Okay, but then after 8, 9, 10 sum, you will need more sums to practice. What has come in the previous exam? How do other sums look like? Can this sum be more difficult? Please collect your assignment book so that you have the theory, you have all these sums solved as the steps I showed you on the board, and you have practice exercise A, you have practice exercise B, and you have past paper question exercise. So you will be very confident to appear for the test. When you are ready and you tell me I am ready, I will give you a test. And you can see your performance. If you are not understood, you can watch the lectures again. If you have difficulties, we will solve your difficulties and we will. Let us use the time fruitfully. Do not avoid, okay, or be lazy or assume, we will do it later. There is no later. I remind you once again, June is almost gone. By October, by November latest, we will have to finish nicely, thoroughly, so that we can begin our test series and practice the papers patterned by the board exam. Okay, so let us have a look. So we are on sum number 8. If, exercise 8.1, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether, okay, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A minus, or not. Is this correct or not correct? We have to find out. Okay, so I wrote this big because that is what I am going to use. First, 3 cot A is 4. Just like the previous sum, cot A is 4 by 3. Numbers on one side, trigonometric functions on the other side. And again to remind you, we will draw a right angle triangle. Although it looks silly, I know everything by heart, but we will not make mistakes. Cot, again I remind you, is inverse of tan. Tan is opposite side upon adjacent side. Cot will be adjacent side upon opposite side. Do not forget. So, tour. Now, I have AB is 4K and BC is 3K. Let the sides be some common multiple of K. Then, in right, so I will write it, right? Sorry, 4K and 3K. I need to find AC. In right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Please learn the spelling of Pythagoras. Do not write short form in the exam. AB square 4K square BC square 3K square is AC square. Now you can see 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, okay, and by that you will come to know that when you solve further, that AC has got a value. What value did you find for AC is most important. AC, when we solve, we will find that AC will be 5K. So 16K square plus 9K square is 25K square. Taking square root, 25 square root is 5. Square root of K square is K. Please practice. This should be fluent. We don't have to write all steps here. 16K square. Do not waste time in the exam. But be careful that your mind is working properly, you're remembering the square and square root correctly. Don't write anything which comes to your mind. That's not correct. Okay? So now we've got 5k, which I have found. Now look here, left hand side is equal to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. This is my left hand side. I have to find tan, then I can do this equation. Now tan A is opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. 3 upon 4. I'm going to use it here. This is 1 minus 3 upon 4, the whole square. 1 plus 3 upon 4, the whole square. Again, this you have to solve further. 1 minus 9 upon 16, 1 plus 9 upon 16. You can go ahead and accordingly solve further. I need you to get me 7 upon 25. If you do not know how to square, reminding you, you can make LCM. Please make your 9 standard sharp. Kindly use what you have learned. It will save time. Okay? Then we have got here right. So I have a value for this. Right hand side is equal to, I have there cos square A minus sine square A. Now I need cos and sine. Cos A is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. And sine A is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So my values are ready. I will substitute 4 upon 5 the whole square minus 3 upon 5 the whole square. Again, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 3 square 9, 5 square 25. Kindly do your mathematics algebra of your 8th standard and get ready. And you will get this as 7 upon 25. Okay, how do I complete the sum? Check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, therefore 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sine square A is my answer, and I will square box it. This is how you represent the sum. Once again, simple sum, bring numbers on one side, trigonometric function on the other side. You have cot ka value. What is cot? Okay, then make it multiples of k. Find the third side by Pythagoras theorem. Take the left hand side. It needs tan. Find tan. Substitute tan. Solve. Right hand side needs cos and sine. Find cos and sine. Substitute. Solve. Get a value. Value is same. Notify. Therefore, what is given is correct. I have checked that it is equal to. Suppose, what will I write? Suppose not, I would have put like this. Okay, we don't have to write anywhere else, but this is equal. We will show by sign. We don't write alphabets in proofs. Okay, so do not write is equal to. So this is why you should present it in this way. Expected. Let us look at sum number 9. In the 9th sum, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is 1 by root 3, find value of first sine A cos C plus cos A sine C. Second, cos A cos C, and subtract sine A sine C. I will be writing this again one word, don't worry. This was the sum which I copied on the board. Okay? What is our first step? We are given tan, right angle triangle, find 3 sides. Do not do any sum without doing the 3 sides first. The 3 side method we have already run nicely. We know how to do it, right? Now tan A is, again we go through it, opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side of A is BC. Adjacent side is AB. This is given to me as 1 upon root 3. Therefore, let them be some common multiples of K. BC is 1K and AB is root 3K. So, BC is 1K, root 3K. I am supposed to find the third side again by using Pythagoras theorem. 1K is here, but I have written 1K so that you know where I got that 1 from. In right angle triangle ABC, AC square is AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, AC square is AB square root 3K the whole square plus BC, that is K the whole square. Okay, root 3K square plus K square. Do not get confused, just like your 9th standard. Okay, root 3 will go, 3 will remain, root 3 square is 3, so 3K square, 3K square plus 1K square, 4K square, and AC now I know is equal to 2K. Okay, so if you still find it difficult, please revise that. Cannot, please contact us and we will remove your difficulty. So we have got AC as 2K. Good. So I have found out the third side. Now I must find all the ratios to substitute. I need sine A. Sine A is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Half. I have after this cos C. Cos C is cos of C adjacent. This is adjacent to C. So adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent 1K, hypotenuse 2K. So 1 by 2. Then I have to find cos A. Remember, I will be writing the sum. But first, what I need, I must keep raw material ready. Cos of A. Cos of A will be opposite upon hypotenuse. Sorry. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is 1 and adjacent, sorry, root 3 and hypotenuse 2K. So root 3 by 2. Cos is ready. This is A, sorry, not C. And then I need sine C. Sine C is opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite of C, root 3K. Hypotenuse 2K. K cancel, root 3 by 2. Now I have to find sine A cos C plus cos A. So I am finding the first part into sine C. Bring the values. Sine A is half. Cos C is half. Cos A is root 3 by 2. Sine C is root 3 by 2. Okay, first board marks, first multiplication, then addition. 1 by 4 plus root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. This is not LCM. Don't make a mistake. Numerator to multiply. This is not plus, this is multiply. This is 4 upon 4, that is 1. So I found out the answer to the first one. Second, cos A into cos C minus sine A into sine C. Okay, cos A, by line, root 3 by 2. Cos C, half. Minus, subtract. Sine A, half. Sine C, root 3 by 2. Now, root 3 times 1 is root 3. 2 2s are 4. Root 3, 4. Please write the answer. I keep reminding you, you have to separately write the answers. Answer, sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C is 1. Number 2, cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C is 0. Please write the answer, put a square box, otherwise your marks will go. You need half a mark for presentation. So kindly give the presentation. So sum looks so difficult. Same sum like last time. So I remind you, take a ratio, find the third side, find the basic ratio, and whatever equation is given to you, just substitute. Then there is algebra. It has nothing to do with trigonometry. So we will go further to sum number 10. Please practice it 2-3 times. It's not difficult. Okay, same. You may find it boring. Why am I doing again and again? You have to keep doing it till it is ingrained in your mind. When you see the sum, you should start the flow. 10. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is 25 centimeter and PQ is 5 centimeter. Okay, determine values of first sin P, second cos P, and third tan P. So they have given us a right angle triangle, they have given us a sum of two sides, and they have given you one side separate. We have to find three basic ratios in this sum. Let's go forward. First step, all right angle triangle. PQR. I have PQ as 5. So I can directly put it. I do not have the other two sides directly. Okay. So first PQ is 5 centimeter. Second, PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. Okay, this is what I know. So PR is equal to 25 minus QR centimeter. I take the QR on the other side. Now, in right angle, third step, in right angle triangle PQR, PQ square is equal to, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we are having a look. Agreed? Got it here? No problem. What is PQ? What is 5? What is PR? We have something like this, and we have QR. Okay, just substitute. PR 25 minus QR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Substitute the values. PR, PR. PQ, PQ. QR don't know, keep as now. We have only QRs left. So it will become very easy to solve further. When you open this and you solve further, and you will find that you will get QR is equal to 12 centimeter. Now, if QR is 12 and the sum is 25, therefore, so you write the therefore, I will have PQ, PQ, here, PR, is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 plus 12 is 25. So, this is how you will do. Okay? Now, how to move further. So, we will look at that also. Now, once we have the third side, so I have here PQ is 5 centimeter. I have QR as 12 centimeter. I have PR as 13 centimeter. This we have found and that was given. Now I am supposed to find sine P. To find sine P. P. Keep your eye on P. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. So 12 upon 13. First. Second. Cos of P. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay, so we will get 5 upon 13. Third. Tan P. Opposite upon adjacent or sine upon cos. We can also find by that method. So, opposite upon adjacent. Again, remind you, please write the answer in a box. And your sum is solved. Now, here, sum number 11 I told you, after I teach you the theory required for sum number 11, which is not there in your book also till here, we will be solving sum number 11. That is just true or false. For true or false, you need to know the theory. So, we have completed all the sums in exercise 8.1. After this, we will be going in learning a new bit of theory, most of the theory with values. How much is sine 30? How much is sine 45? How much is sine 60? How much is sine 90? How much is cos of all those numbers? We will not learn 1, 2, 3, 4. We are learning standard value 30, 60, 90, 30, 45, 60, 90. We will not learn all. Okay, we will not become too much. We have to just learn. Then how will I know the remaining? We get a table, like how you have a table book in your school. We get a sine table, a chart. In that sine of 0, sine of 1, sine of 2, everything is written. So I have to teach you how to use the values. And in life, when you become an engineer, architect, or somebody, rocket science, you're flying planes, you have to use that. And of course, calculator will give you immediately, your mobile will give you immediately. You type the sine 60 in the scientific calculator, will immediately give you value. Now we have to teach you the technique. We're not teaching you the table of sine, table of cosine, table of tan. We're not teaching you that. Because that will come in BSc when you're doing experiments on light, magnetism. 13 degrees I got reading, sir. Fine, sine of that. Then you will need to learn how to use the table. Like log table, we have sine tables also. Okay? So we will not be looking at the tables now. So we will be going through the value chart. So I will put up the value chart for you and then you can see further how to remember the values. Okay? This I will erase first. So 8.1 is done. We will move towards 8.2 per theory. And then we will see the true or false one line of 8.1 sum number 11 once we learn the theory. Again I remind you, concept maps are given in our notes. Theory is given in our notes. Okay, the assignment book. And